Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do online multiplayer in Unity. So this just got released and it's pretty easy to do. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, make sure to like and subscribe. But let's get right into it. Okay, so once you've loaded into your Unity, you want to go up, Window, Package Manager, and it'll just open up this. You want to go Packages, Unity Registry, load for a minute. Then once it's loaded, you want to scroll down until you see netcode for game objects. You want to click on this and click install down at the bottom right, and it's just going to install for a minute. Okay, and once it's installed, it should say burst package update detected. So you want to click OK on this, and now we have to restart Unity. Okay, once you're back into Unity, we need to go Window and Package Manager again, and we need to click this little plus symbol here, add package from git URL, and I'll put the two URLs in the description and the video, so just copy those and put them in here. So for me, the first one is this one. Just copy, paste it in there, click add. It'll load for a minute. And once that's loaded, I'm just gonna put in another one. Click add. It'll load for a minute. It should be quicker than the last one. And now once all that's loaded, you can close out of this and we can start work. So what you need to do, right click here, create empty, just call this network manager. And click on this and click add component and just search network manager. And then we need to select transport over here and click Unity transport. That'll add in another script. What we need to do now is get in what your player would be. So I'm just gonna make my player a circle with a simple movement script that I have. Obviously you'd have your movement script. Then of course you need a floor. I just made another circle. Once you have your player and floor in, you want to drag this circle or your player down here and make it a prefab. Now I can delete this from the scene. And now back in our network manager, we're going to drag our circle into player prefab here. And now we have to do a few things on our circle. So the first one, add component, is called network object. You don't have to change anything there, and then add another component called client network transform. And so with this, you want to only have the ones that you actually need to send across ticked. So my guy doesn't rotate at all, so we can get rid of the rotation. He doesn't change his scale at all, so we can get rid of those. And it's a 2D game, so it'll never move on the Z, so you can turn that off, and that should work. So So now if we save this and we go Parallel Sync up here, Clones Manager, create new clone, and it's just going to basically duplicate your whole project. So we have to wait for that to load. It might take a minute. Now once that's done loading, you want to click open a new editor here. Okay, so now that you have your second Unity open here, what you want to do on your main Unity, you want to open up your player script. And up at the top here, you want to do using unity.netcode, semicolon. And here, where it says mono behavior, you actually want to change this to network behavior. And right underneath your start method, you want to write public override void on network spawn, and in here you want to write if not is owner, then curly brackets destroy this. Now we can save that and go back into Unity. And close down this, and we can actually just play. And you see on the left here it'll say don't destroy unload. Click the arrow next to that, click Network Manager, and click Start Host. As you can see, our player just spawned in. And what we want to do is go onto our second Unity. It's over here. And we want to play. Again, arrow next to don't destroy unload, Network Manager. This time we want to click Start Client. And as you can see, we're spawned in here. And if we just put this to the right, and this here, oops, you can see when we move on this one, we move on this one. If we move on this one, we move on this one. So I hope you guys found that tutorial useful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. But I'll see you in the next one.